A quality robot vacuum will stay on top of your home in a way you never thought possible. So I am thrilled that I've been sent this robot vacuum for review, and it is one pretty vacuum. And one thing to keep in mind is this is not just a vacuum, it's a combo of vacuum and mop. And this laser sensor will help it better navigate through your home. And when you flip it over, you can see all the elements. The rolling brush is right in here. You'll definitely want to pop this out from time to time and clean it. Very easy to do. Now I'm just going to pop on the side brush, and it really does just pop on right here. And then this is your mop piece. It really is just a bit of microfiber that connects on to these Velcro points. And if you're just treating it as a vacuum, you do not need to add this piece at all. Now the 2-in-1 tank with the dust collector and the water tank is this piece right here. Just push down on this blue piece to pop it out. This is where all the dirt and dust will collect. So this is the easy part to just dump. And this is where you can replace the filter. And then this piece you'll want to clean from time to time. This is like a very thin microfiber. But basically, as the dirt sucks into here, all the air is going to go out through this portion. And then it comes right out here in the back. I really like how this is designed. It definitely has a lot of space. Now the water tank is the rest of this. Really easy to fill up. Now I'm going to set it up and test it first as a vacuum and then as a mop. Let's do it. Off the bat, this laser is so smart as it doesn't bang into everything like my other one does because it can actually see. So it'll stop before it hits it. And if it has any issues at all, it does have the little spinner to get it into tough corners and make sure it doesn't go down stairwells. And while I had some doors closed, it mapped our downstairs in less than 5 minutes, which completely shocked me. I'm really impressed at the difference the laser camera makes. So I can pause it on the robot or on the app. I just paused on the app, and it's really cool to look at the app right now as I can see that it has started methodically cleaning the room back and forth after it worked around all the furniture carefully. And it's already collected a ton of human and cat hair and dirt and debris on its first run. And I currently have it set at strong suction, so that's definitely working really well. Dust box is back in, and I'm going to start it back up. And I expect that it'll keep going that way. Yep. As it is methodically cleaning the space. For a simple microfiber cleaning, it did a really good job mopping the kitchen. It cleaned up a lot of the dirt and debris that was along the edges and really just did that quick clean that I was not going to get around to doing. And that's really the magic in these, is they will do scheduled cleanings for you so you don't have to think about it. The L15 Robot Vacuum and Combo Mop does an exceptional job both vacuuming and mopping. I definitely recommend it.